Hey, I just wanted to introduce myself really quick. My name is Heather Kimber, and most people actually call me the software nerd. I absolutely love to learn about new software and new trainings to help entrepreneurs like myself. So I was super excited to see that you put your email address in to get free access to a new piece of software that I am going crazy over. It's called Poplinks. And you should be getting access with your login details at the email that you entered in on the previous page. And I am so excited for you to start using it. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about it. I actually had the opportunity a few months ago to go to Las Vegas and spend 3 days in a private event. There were about 35 of us with the founders of the software, Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher. And for those 3 days, we walked through using Poplinks, and they taught us how people were using it and making money with it, and how simple it was to use it. It was really pretty cool because within those 3 days, we actually built pages within Poplinks, um, and we started getting leads with it. And I think I got about 85 leads in those days there, playing and learning about the software. And I actually got a couple of sales, which was crazy. And so, um, I ended up having to leave my family for the 3 days. I had to book a flight to Las Vegas, uh, get a hotel in Las Vegas, and spend those 3 days there learning, which was so worth it. But while I was there, they were recording the event. And so down below, you're going to see some bullet points about what that event was about. And they're offering the recordings. So make sure that you click the button and get those recordings. They're at a crazy, crazy discount right now. And they're extremely valuable. So make sure that you go through those bullet points and then get those recordings. It's going to help so much as you dive into this software. Also, I'm going to cut over to a video that just kind of showcases the software, shows how you can change the lead capture pages and how they sync together from the lead capture page to the thank you page. I mean, I've spent years doing, my background is in graphic design, so uh, changing and designing the lead capture page and the thank you page, and realizing when you want to make a change, you have to go through the other pages to make it look consistent. Well, this has what they call sync technology. And when you make a change on one, it changes it on everything. And it's so unreal. So I'm gonna flip over to just a kind of a preview of the software. You'll also hear from Chad and Perry, the founders, which is really cool. But then take a look at the bullet points below. Make sure you get those recordings. That's going to be the best way to get your feet wet with the software and start learning about it. So let me flip over to the preview of the software. I'm so excited for you.
Hi, this is Perry Belcher here with my partner Chad Nicely. And listen, whoever sent you to this page, however you got here, whoever referred you here, you should go find them and give them a huge kiss on the mouth. Because you're about to get a giant gift. You're about to get a very valuable gift of a piece of software called Poplinks. This is a piece of software we built, spent hundreds of thousands of dollars developing, and we're gonna give it to you for free so you'll have the ability to have success like these folks.
Well, at this business workshop, I got 54 leads.
I got 58.
31. 22.
Got 97.
26 leads on the first day, which is awesome.
But in one day, actually less than one day,
And I got my first sale today.
I got 114 clicks, 84 opt-ins, and 4 sales.
My takeaway, that's the part I'm stuck on. Because I was asleep most of the time. You know?
Use it.
Which I got 20 leads while I kind of dozed off during the workshop, and I still got the leads.
So what are they so excited about? What are people so crazy excited about? You're about to be able to find out. There's a button below this video right now where you'll be able to find out what everybody is so stoked about and why they're going so crazy over this little piece of software. At our workshop here, you're going to have the ability to take a look at this workshop that we did here in Las Vegas. At the workshop here, 90+% of the people in the workshop set up their pages and got leads while they were in the workshop. 14 people out of 40 people in the workshop actually made sales sitting there in the chair. And you get to do the exact same thing they did remotely with exactly the same material, exactly the same system, exactly the same frameworks. But you get copy, all kinds of, you really need to just go click the button below right now and learn everything that's included and how you can get started and get involved and get success like the people that you saw above. Anything else to add, Chad?
No, no. But remember, check your email. You'll have access to Poplinks.